Hi, so here in this board, I'm trying to connect with an email server, Outlook email server through IMAP protocol, and it is SSL enabled. And I know that this username and password, my provided credentials, is correct. And let's connect. This is my username, Office 365 underscore dev test. And here we are getting this message that provided credentials is invalid, which is actually a valid credential. And if you will go to our email admin user account, then we can see what's the exact problem there. So it's opening, and here I am in user, active server, active users, and this is my email account, that is office 365 underscore dev underscore test. So let's open it. So we'll come to mail tab, and here we can see that our IMAP protocol is disabled. So that's the reason that we were not able to log in, although we are providing valid credentials. So let's enable this protocol, save changes, and sometime it takes around 5 minutes to update. So let's run the bot and see whether now we are able to connect or not. So here we can see that our bot reached at line 2. Line 1 is executed successfully. So we can say that connection is established, and now we are trying to fetch mails. Mhm. Okay, let's wait to see. Yes, we are able to fetch mails. So we can conclude that if we are trying to connect with some fetch email server, and if we are getting that the product credentials is incorrect, this can be the case that in email server for that user, the required protocol is disabled. Thanks.